Hey everyone, I just want to go over the quick Lego room update. We've got a few things we've added. This is going to be short and sweet. Let me know what your favorite things are that you see. But current right now, it's a little bit of a mess, but that's just how it is. The kids been playing over here with the Lego friends. But anyway, we're working with some of the Brickbook controllers here. Current projects, we got a couple light kits to go on. And we did just score the Voltron. So we're going to be getting that put together here on the channel. Anyway, we'll keep moving here. So my newest build, I ended up putting the T-Rex up here. It looks pretty good, I think, overall, with the lights off and everything. Obviously, when you're down here, you can't see all the wires, but huge set, awesome. I love the whole thing about it. I was going to put it somewhere else, but then I decided let's just stick it up there for now, and that's just what we went with. So we'll keep moving on here. Work on the Spaceman. We still need the helmet here, and I'm waiting for another shipment to get the 2 more Spaceman complete. And what else did we do here? So we did get some more Pokemon sets done here, and the 2 Back to the Future. We did both of them just because you can do 2 different models of it. So I bought 2 of those, and the light kits on my desk. That's what those are for. We also did a Harry Potter set, and it's right here. I thought this was like a 10 out of 10 for display. It was a super fun set also to put together. So you can see here, these all come apart. There we go. Those all come on. There's some more in the back. So we got all those going. As far as other projects, we did get the stand up for the UCS Razor Crest. So I do have a light kit for that. We will get the light kit on there eventually there. So stay tuned to see the light kit there, because I love adding the light kits to my Star Wars ships because they just look so much better. So some sets don't need light kits, but I would say the Star Wars ones definitely look awesome. What else did we finish? Oh, we did finish the Jazz House. Also, let me find that here. So we'll go, here we go. We got the Jazz Club house. We finished that, put the light kit on it up here on my little city that I got going on. I've got about 3 or 4 more of these to put in to build yet. They're my favorite builds. So anyway, let's keep moving along here. This is where I was going to put the T-Rex. I decided to move it up there just because it blocked so much of my cars in the background. So we'll see. We'll move something over to here. We did add some more NBA minifigures. Let me get those. There we go. We got the different Kobe there, and we got some new Michael Jordan's customs. So anyway, if you have any that I'm not seeing here and you want to hit me up, let me know. I'm interested in getting those from you. I want to complete the whole Lego collection for that. We did get these Star Wars. Let me zoom out here. We did get the Star Wars minifigure case up by Black Brick. This thing is awesome. It fills 200. I think I need another one of these just because this thing's already full. So anyway, looks great. We got the Vaders up here. And then we did get some more customs in. I did want to mention that. So over here, we got more customs. I got a new video up on those. So those are Rai's customs right here. These are made on official Lego parts. You're going to want to check them out. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for the quick update. If you want to see anything else, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.